Hello everyone and welcome back. Module 1 Agenda Artificial Intelligence AI, Machine Learning ML, Deep Learning DL. Understanding these topics is crucial for grasping generative AI. Let's dive in. Artificial Intelligence AI. Humans are incredibly intelligent, excelling in various fields. When we replicate human intelligence in machines, we call it artificial intelligence or AI. AI involves creating machines that can perform tasks requiring human intelligence, such as diagnosing diseases, predicting property prices, or detecting credit card fraud. In essence, AI aims to make machines as smart as humans. Machine learning ML. To make machines intelligent, we use machine learning. ML involves training machines to learn and make decisions based on data without explicit programming. Machines learn from vast amounts of data and then make predictions or decisions. Think of it like teaching a child to recognize an apple by showing them many examples. Similarly, we train machines with millions of data points to recognize patterns and make accurate predictions. Deep Learning DL. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning inspired by the human brain's neural networks. Human brains transmit information through neurons, processing it layer by layer. Engineers replicated this concept in neural networks, where data is processed through multiple layers, each enhancing and analyzing the information. This multi-layered approach significantly improves accuracy, especially for complex tasks like text and image generation. Key points: AI creating machines with human-like intelligence. ML enabling machines to learn from data and make decisions. DL using neural networks to solve complex problems with high accuracy. Next steps: now that we have covered AI, ML and DL, we can better understand generative AI. In the next video, we will take a deeper dive into generative AI and see it in action. See you in the next video. Thank you.